Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. Welcome to the end of the course. And so excited to have you all here for week 6. This should be a quick week. Just give everybody reminders. The end of the week, the course is on Friday, so please make sure to turn in all your work by Friday evening. That way it'd be good. That includes your reply posts. This also includes your final assignment, which is a really easy assignment. It's a one-page assignment that really just explains about your experiences with analyzing visuals and analyzing just analytics in general, and just kind of taking a look at it from a longer aspect. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it this week. I figure I'd keep it simple. I'll try and get your week 5 projects as best I can by Friday or Thursday. I know they're big papers, so if you need more time with them, or if you need to turn in any assignments you want to redo or have better grades with about it, let me know. I'd be happy to create some extensions for you and just add them to it. That's okay. Just contact me, please. Biggest thing I ask is just don't wait till the last minute, and just really just contact me. Let's get a plan together. Let's get a focus, and then that way you can get the highest grade you can possibly get, and I can help you get out through this. So that'd be awesome. All right, so let's get into it. So good. So I see I chose the wrong lecture slide, so good job on that part, Adam. It's definitely a Monday. I can definitely tell you from that. I think I also have my projects on fire too a little bit, so it's like a multitude of things. There we go. Sorry about that. I am so sorry. There we go. So yeah, so this week we're going to be taking a look at intros and symbols and communications. So yeah, just to talk about the upcoming dates you have coming up, you do have your Friday is definitely the last day that you can turn anything in, so make sure that's all turned in, everything's up to date. Also, double check to make sure that you have any missing assignments. Contact me. If you have any questions about the grades, let me know. Let's meet up. Let's talk about it. There might be something I missed. It's okay. I make mistakes too. It's all right. Just contact me. Don't try to wait to the last minute or go around it. Just, contact me. That's the big thing. So other than that, that's all I got. I just want to really get into it. Other than that, this week we're really going to focus on logos, symbols, icons, really get into it, really go and take a nice trip back into semiotics a little bit more. And that's pretty much it. And we're going to really take a look at how logos are more of an icon. They're an idea and a symbol. We're also going to understand how symbols and icons and logos have deeper meanings. And we're really also going to talk about how showing how icons can be simple and easy to use overall. So we're really going to get into the concept of really understanding the difference between icons, symbols, and really get back into semiotics a little bit more in detail. So that's what we're going to be focused on this week. Lecture is going to be on Tuesday as always. The lecture link should be up and ready to go. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, I'd be happy to have you for my last lecture on Tuesday. Same time, that'll be great. That way we're all together for one last run. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Really proud of the work. Thank you for being awesome this term. I'm really excited with everything. And thanks for being amazing. You guys are awesome. Enjoy. If you need anything, please let me know. Other than that, thanks for being, I know I said it probably 16 times, but thanks for being awesome again. And contact me. That's the thing. Send me a message. Text me. That's the biggest thing. Don't wait till the last moment. Or if you disagree with something, or if something's wrong, contact me and message me back. That's the big thing. And if I message you back, message me back from that. So that way I know what's going on. We can work with it. So that's the big deal. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Have a great week. I hope to see everybody for lecture tomorrow. That's all I got. Have a good one. Bye-bye.